Hi all, here is your 3-minute trick to a perfect pistol stitch. Bring the needle up through the fabric at a starting point. Hold the thread firmly. Wrap the thread around the needle 1 to 3 times like you do it in a French knot. Now insert the needle back into the fabric at a short distance away. Now pull the needle through slowly, keeping the tension on the thread so the knot will be perfect. Now repeat the steps for the pistol stitch. Here for alternate pistol stitch, I am alternating the length of the tail of the stitch. One will be longer and one will be shorter. So you can actually vary your thread and change the length of the pistol stitch. The pistol stitch are best for center of the flowers, even for dandelions. To give that burst of dandelions, it will be perfect. And here I'm showing a variation like how the pistol stitch will look when I wrap using only one wrap. You need not do this way. You always wrap it consistently. Keep your wrap consistent. But to show the variation, I'm here showing you how the thickness of the French knot will look in the end of the pistol stitch if you wrap it once or twice. Here I'm using 6 strands of thread, so that also will add a larger volume for your pistol stitch. If you wanted your knot to be smaller, use 2 strands of thread or 3 strands of thread accordingly. So based on the length thickness of your pistol stitch, how you wanted your French knot in the pistol stitch to be there, you change the number of strands of thread. Here are some additional tips for the perfect pistol stitch. One is like use an embroidery needle one. I find like when the needle is long, you will be able to wrap the thread more and it is easier to work on it. So till you get the hang of it, use embroidery needle one. And also have enough thread for wrapping. When you find that there is not enough thread, end your pistol stitch and again start with new thread. That will be perfect. And also maintain the consistency in the number of wraps you are doing, and also keep the same tension so that your stitch looks better.